Hi guys, درود بر شما. Today I'm with you with another Persian vocabulary video and it's about different tastes. So let's get started. شیرین. It means sweet. شیرین. من باقلوا نمیخورم. زیادی شیرینه. I don't eat baklavas. They are too sweet. Shirin is also a common female Persian name. There is a tragic romance written by Nizami Ganjavi, the famous Iranian poet, and its title is Khosrow و Shirin, Khosrow and Shirin. Just like English, we use this word to call our loved ones. For example, we can call our lover Shirinam, and that means my sweetie. Torsh. Torsh means sour. من میوه های ترش رو دوست دارم. I love sour fruits. تلخ. It means bitter. تلخ. You can use this word also for describing people. When I say آقای سهرابی آدم تلخیه, it means Mr. Sohrabi is a bad-tempered guy. Shur. Shur means salty, almost. I said almost because in English, salty can have a positive or neutral meaning. It means something that contains salt. For example, you can say, I love peanuts and other salty snacks. Okay? But in Persian, shur always has a negative meaning. For example, ما تو غذای آقای سهرابی نیم کیلو نمک ریختیم و خیلی شور شد. We poured half a kilogram salt in Mr. Sohrabi's food and it became too salty. So shur kind of means too salty. We also got a synonym for the word shur. When food is too salty and you want to convey that negative meaning, but you want to be more polite, more indirect. For example, when you're a guest in a party, you don't want to say غذا شوره. It's too direct, and if you say that to your host, you may make them upset. So you can say instead غذا پرنمکه. پرنمک. It has that negative meaning, but it's more polite and indirect. So پرنمک. For a positive or neutral meaning, you can use the word نمکی. نمکی. For example, من بادام زمینی نمکی دوست دارم. I love salty peanuts. Also, when our food or snack lacks salt, we use the word بی‌نمک. بی‌نمک. For example, نمک میخوام. غذا بی‌نمکه. I need salt. The food doesn't have salt. So بی‌نمک means free from salt. We also got this word کم نمک. کم نمک. It means when your food contains a little amount of salt, which is less than enough. کم نمک. For example, غذا بد نیست. فقط کم نمکه. It means the food is not bad. The salt is not enough. تند. تند means hot or spicy. For example, من عاشق سس تند با پاستام. I love hot sauce with pasta. We also can say فلفلی. فلفلی is a synonym for تند. So if we say من عاشق سس فلفلی با پاستام, it has the same meaning. ملس. ملس means sour sweet. It's somewhere between sweetness and sourness. For example, انار ملس. sour sweet pomegranate. Dudi. It means smoky. Dudi. For example, برنج دودی. Smoky rice. Now, how do we say the word taste itself? We got two words for taste. مزه, مزه, and طعم, طعم. For example, مزه این پیراشکی رو دوست داشتی؟ Or طعم این پیراشکی رو دوست داشتی؟ Both of them mean, did you like the taste of this donut? And so for the word tasty, we say خوشمزه. And also خوش‌طعم. But خوشمزه is more common. For example, شاممون خیلی خوشمزه بود. Or شاممون خیلی خوش‌طعم بود. They mean our dinner was so tasty. And the opposite is بدمزه or bad طعم. Again, بدمزه is more common. For example, چه غذای بدمزه‌ای خوردیم. What a bad taste food we ate. Okay, these words, these tastes I just mentioned are adjectives, as you may know. To turn them into noun, we add a e and e at the end of these words. For example, شیرین turns into شیرینی. ترش turns into ترشی. شور, شوری. تلخ, تلخی. And they mean like sweetness, sourness, I don't know, bitterness, etc. To describe something that tastes like something else, in English we say, this tastes like that. Okay, for example, the ice cream tastes like a cheesecake. Okay, now how do we say this in Persian? We say این مزه اونو میده. For example, بستنی مزه چیزکیک میده. Or cake مزه پرتقال میده. Okay, the cake tastes like orange. Also in English, when something has a flavor, we say them like this. For example, vanilla ice cream, chocolate cake, or I don't know, strawberry smoothie. How do we say these in Persian? We say them like this. For example, in vanilla ice cream, we put the ice cream first, so we will have bastani. Then we add the genitive or اضافه, bastaniye, and then the flavor, vanille, and at last we add a ye to the flavor. For example, بستنی وانیلی. Okay? کیک شکلاتی. اسموتی توت فرنگی. Okay, we don't say توت فرنگی because that's hard to pronounce. We just say اسموتی توت فرنگی. And what we have here, I mean, for example, in bastani vanili is the noun adjective structure. Bastani here is the noun, and we have a genitive case between bastani and vanili. Vanili is the adjective. Okay guys, this was today's video. Thank you for watching, and please, if you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it will give me so much motivation to make other videos for you. And thank you, and bye bye.